What's up, my beautiful people? How are you doing, guys? Bless up on a nice, clean self. Guys, this is the amazing M&G girl, and I am here going to look for Mama because I can't hear from her because of the internet and because the phones are not working. So, guys, you see my luggage down here? Yes, I'm going up now to look for Mama. You know how me I go up this hill, you know, but me I tell you, me I try. What me not drop? Oh, oh God, oh God. Wow. And if nobody out there can help me. And go again, guys. Step by step. I will reach. Boy. No man. I have to step again. What it? Guys, excuse my language. Yes, man, me tired, man. Tired. Can't hear from Mama, I can't hear from nobody, so I have to find myself down here. Buy up our water, our batteries, our little Lasco, because she love Lasco, and bread, and other food stuff as well. Here, crow. Yeah, the rooster then crowing. Can it blow off? Bless up on yourself, guys. Thanks for watching. But at least the rain fall and the road wash off. All the mud on the planet again. This is my third stop, guys. Yes, my third stop up the hill. See it there? See where I'm coming from there, guys? And this is my third stop up the hill. See it there? That's where I'm coming from. Me here power side look like them are cut up trees up there. I want Mama alright. Cause me couldn't get to call her. Me I call her, me not get her. Hope she alright. That's why you see me come down here. Now go again. What me not drop. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy if you go up the hill. You know how Mama managed it to come down and go up. With bag and pan. Yes, guys. I'm here. Guys, I'm going to stop again, guys. Oh my God, me nearly drop. Oh, me nearly drop. Guys, I'm going to stop again. Oh, my God. Water turn over. Guys, I'm stopping again. Guys, I'm still going. Still going, guys. Guys, yes, would you believe me that this is my 5th stop going to look for Mama up the hill here? Yes, my beautiful people, this is my 5th stop, but I'm going, guys. Yes, guy, my neighbor coming to help me carry up the bag. Eh? Yes, you get damage? Mm. Oh my goodness. So you did in there?
I went. Them are come call me out. He said the refugee root up.
Oh my goodness.
I went before down go what Jen no going on the house so.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh. Eh. Me said through the phone system now pick up. And me a call mama, me can't get mama.
The phone them dead.
Yeah, so me say me come down and see what happened to her.
The phone them dead. Alright, now for me one and they say we not get back right here no.
Oh my goodness. So you want to say hello to my people and tell them what happened? Guys, this is my neighbor and she have been damaged.
Hello.
She said, what you say to you now?
The tree, breadfruit tree and the guinea tree come down and fall. Damage the wall of my veranda, the wall of the house, the back of the house, and the front part.
Oh my, lucky you never in there though.
Cause me just come out, me just up on the veranda like while sit down, and me just I look see my brother come call me and the tree just come down. Cause I know me never move, me never depend one yes. And I'm pinned down.
So wait, Omar, they come out?
You know, after I come down, he come out.
Oh Jesus, I'm happy.
Yeah.
Like
so them are cut it down.
Yeah.
But the whole of the back damage right now. Because the tree come down.
Yeah, so you close them and something must wet up.
But water over the bed, it may have to dry it way.
Okay.
Dry away the bed.
Alright. Now go look for mama.
Yeah, now
alright. Yeah, alright. So what cut it? Mona. Junior. So what about the breadfruit tree over mama?
No, that one there.
In a
stand up.
Alright, me I say.
But the what they call the tree?
Which one?
The tree side of
the tamarind tree? Yeah. Alright, may I go up? Yes, Nettie. So guys, I hear that some people get damaged up here, but luckily, mama alright. This is the next part of the house where blow down, tear down here. So this is one of my brother's house where he just started to make, and this one tear down. Oh, I'm going up, guys, going up the hill. Going up the hill. Let me show you how far we're coming from, guys. All the way down there. That's where I'm coming from. All the way down there, guys. It's a long hill. These breadfruit trees never blow down. They have a lot of breadfruit, man. But look at breadfruit up there. I'm so glad I reach up. Can you hear me blow? I'm not pretending. The hill is steep. It's a steep hill. Far off the road. Wow. Mama? 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 What going? Boy, the phone out of connection. I can't make no call. Me I come. Yeah? Alright.
Okay, from yesterday, I don't eat anything because of the damage on the bed. I don't eat nothing from yesterday. I try to clean up. I couldn't get to go work because whatever we get damaged.
Yeah, so
so
the people who you work with know that?
Yeah, because I send video go give them.
Yeah.
At the house, I take picture and I know she the boss no call me and say
response.
She responds, but she no get back to me.
I wonder she get damaged.
No sir, because we used to at the same lady me that work with anchovy, but she move on the summer store now.
All right.
So the horse was passing the no tree no run her, nothing.
Okay, so she alright.
Yes.
Yeah, we just have to thank God say not death or anything. Yeah. That's what I'm happy about.
Yeah, because I clean up on yesterday till now. And I'm alone.
Let's take your time.
Yeah,
take your time.
So me I try to say me can if me no know if you can cause right now me not have no money because guess what me no get to go work on Wednesday
Well,
straight.
that.
On Tuesday me no go work till
that.
Tuesday I'm day off and me no go Wednesday
Yeah,
yesterday
because
and today.
Wednesday was the hurricane.
Yes, so me have to
And
stay
you have
home.
Thursday and you have today.
So me have to stay home.
Well, let's hope
take
for
me
the
little
best.
time.
And,
Whatever.
and clean up.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm ready. Me soon come.
All right, now over run off your kitchen, damage bad, catch tree I cut down there now. You will like mash up.
Me soon come here, I'll take them around this. Yeah, all right then, Nettie. Me go check mama now. Yeah. Yes, guy, I've reached up by mama now. So me I sit down and relax now. All right. Soon talk to you again, guys. Whoa. So yes, guys, this is my neighbor house that have been blown down from the hurricane barrier, and a lot of more damage up here. Luckily, mama don't get any damage and no one have been hurt. Only thing that she get up before the actually tree come down on the house. Right, so Nettie, I hope everything will be all right soon. Yeah. All right, bless up yourself. So yes, guys, I reach up to mama, and here is my lovely mother. You have to all right, mama. I must say hello.
Hello.
Well, thank God, guys. She have passed through hurricane Beryl, and she have not gotten any damage. I'm so happy for that. And guys, I couldn't get through to the phone. I couldn't hear anything from mama, so I said let me come down and see what is going on. Right, guys? So I love you guys. Remember, this is mama, and she's okay so far. I bring her little things in for her to have her comfort. Right? So bless up in yourself, and at least, guys, you have seen mama now. Say bye-bye, mama.
Bye.
All right. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thanking you.
All right. Sister Jackie, you see mama? Everyone, you see mama? This is my lovely mama. Right. So yes, guys, I just want to thank you for always watching my videos and for always supporting me and giving me your everlasting love. Thank you so much, guys. And remember to be safe and to be loving and kind to each other. That's what we are to do right now. And to everyone in Jamaica that have passed through Beryl and is okay, and those that is not okay, try be calm, relax yourself, and put bad things together. Yeah. Just happy that your life has been spared, right, guys? So bless up on yourself, and I always leave my Bible verse with you that says, "For God so loved the world that He." You know it, mama. We got the Son, that whosoever believeth in Him should not perish but have everlasting life. Mama, you know it. Love you so much, guys. Have a great day now. Bye, everyone. Say bye, mama.
Bye.
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 All right.
What's your name?
Sister Jackie.
Jackie, bye, Sister Jackie.
All right.
We passed through the hurricane and we not get no damage. All
right. All right. Guys, Sister Jackie is one of my good supporters who take us off, and YT as her family. Right. So mama know her very well. Because she always send little loving care for mama. So bless you all, to everyone all around the world. You have seen my mother now. I think this is it. You have seen her over and over. So bless you all, and mama love you all, right? Bye everyone. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Sister Jackie.
All right. Bye-bye.
Hope to see you soon.
All right. She coming here in December. Yeah, December. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching, guys. So remember, guys, to everyone all around the world, we do love you. I hear mama saying Sister Jackie. Sister Jackie, mama accustomed are used to Sister Jackie. So no disrespect. Mama love you all. Mama say I love all of you.
I love all
of you. All right.
Bye.
Yes, so Mama love you all, and I love you all. To everyone all around the world, bless up on yourself. Thank you so for supporting the amazing M&G girl. We do love you. Bye, everyone. Please remember to like, watch, comment, subscribe, share me out if you can to the amazing M&G girl, the amazing M&G channel. Bye, everyone. Lily, bless up yourself. Ozay, bless up yourself. JJ, Gerald, the twins, Jordan and Jaden, the girls. I can't remember them. CJ, bless up yourself. Awisha, Kel, all my grandchildren and grandchildren, I do love you. Bless up on yourself every time.
Open up behave on yourself.
All right, you hear your mama say open up, behave on yourself. I tell mama what them are behave themselves. Love you guys. Bye everyone. Have a great day now. Bye bye guys. Bye bye. Enough love, enough love, enough love. Love, 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 love to all of you all around the world. Mwah. Lily, bless up yourself, girl. Bye everyone.